Alright.
He's coming, guys.
Got a BNSF manifest on the way. He's, coming, so. I just got the camera out. Oh, dang, he's actually picking up some speed. Oh, crap, there's that train again.
They're both moving, but he still has the red light. So
Not this guy.
He must have the green light.
This guy might have to stop because of that guy. Yeah, we'll be back. Oh, crossing went off.
Who's gonna get it? He's slowing down too far.
Oh, oversized load.
And he's speeding up. Get back to the train.
Look.
You can't get the...
Alright, shush. Just shush.
I think he's gonna stay on the outside and they're both gonna go. So this guy's...
Alright, now we must be quiet for the horn.
Where are we going? He stopped.
They're gonna blow their horn at the same time.
Voltage are down.
Shh. Shush.
Appreciate us. He waved.
Say what now?
I just said stop interrupting my fucking sentence.
He waved? Did you wave back?
No.
You should have waved back.
I couldn't in time because he blew his horn in my face.
Oh, yeah. What is wrong with BNSF? Coal cars on a manifest? Bruh, there's trains specifically designed to carry you. Get off there and get on your own train. Oh, here are the interesting cars. Some gondolas carrying strange items that we don't know. And a gondola carrying scrap metal. Or is that scrap wire? Yay, the sun went away. Now it's not in our eyes. Are these trash gondolas? Oh look, a BN car. Hey look, a BN car.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, what happened to the other guy? Still back there? But the other guy is still sitting back there. CEFX. Huh. Ex-BNSF hopper. Again. Oh, there was another one over there as well. Oh. Oh, God. don't think that's enough. What the hell? We'll show you guys after this train ends. You work on cleaning it and all that.
It's your phone number. Don't call.
How come? Oh, hi. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep.
But it could be someone's phone number that they don't want to call.
Yeah, it could be.
It could be like a murder or something. Trying to lure people into calling them and telling, like a poor little kid, like a 3-year-old.
Who lost his mom or something.
And he would say like, what's your phone number and your address? And he would walk outside and do this phone number.
Well, I'm just gonna say, don't call this number, but here's the number. Please, seriously, don't call it. Seriously, guys, when I show you this number, don't call it.
Let us figure it out.
Yeah, let us figure it out. Don't call it. If it's anything bad, we're gonna hang up immediately.
Wait. No, we're not calling that. No.
But we at least have to show them.
No.
Come on.
I've called this number before.
We'll show them and tell the story when this train is over.
No.
Come on, it'll be fine. They're not gonna call it. We already said, don't call it. Do not call it. Do you understand? Just don't.
They're all rusty except for those few of them.
Anyways, guys, as I was saying, don't call this number. We're about to show you. Don't call it. Whatever you do, just don't.
But I'll tell you guys the story. Oh, and it's all ripped and there's a hole in it.
Oh, shite. We have to wait. This guy really doesn't care. Did you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, I like this horn.
That was something. He was maybe like 50 feet, not even 50 feet. And look how slow he's walking.
I swear we've seen 57, 56 before.
We have.
Should you give him a wave? Oh, he's stopping. Are you kidding me?
Oh, he saw me. He waved back.
Cool.
You just barely see it. He barely got
He's stopping right in the crossing.
Imagine he got the look and yelled at us.
Do I really want to take my headphones off? I'll be
Opened his
fine.
window.
Oh, cool.
He's staring at us. The Warner's like, hey, that's rude. Don't stare at me.
No.
But I want to, but I'm not. Because he might yell back and call the cops.
Yeah.
I think he's chilling until we do something bad.
Oh my god, wouldn't this be so annoying? If you just had to sit there. Waiting.
Someone was in the turn lane and he just left. He just left.
Probably because the train, he's like,
Someone still has their blinker on, just sitting there like,
oh my god.
oh, look at this.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, that's a
a pretty
nice car. And my shot just got blocked.
Of the car?
Yeah. Oh, I got right between that minivan and the train. That was a good shot that I got right there. Are we gonna move or what are we gonna do here?
Very good car in that dealer. So screw off.
What is this guy doing? We'll be back. Oh, it sounds like he's starting up. Clearly.
Turned off his lights.
Never did turn off those, yeah.
Maybe it's because he still has red light.
Maybe. I just want a good shot. Oh wait, he's moving backwards. If I had to guess, they were both ES44 ACs. 5756. 5756 and 5994. Guess I'll have to remember that. I'll say that Jeep coming back out. Alright, he's backing up. We'll get back to you when something else happens.
Done. Like
Train's
done.
moving forward.
I'm getting in.
He's moving forward.
First?
Uh-oh, we have another one coming. Dang. That horn had something to it. Well, we got another train coming. Oh my god. He stopped again. Figures. Alright. Ooh, nice. Green. Look. Green. We have an oncoming train over here right now. Oh, he's moving back again. This man don't care. He sees the train moving back. He knows he'll go. Oh, dang, we got someone coming from down there real quick. Alright, I gotta go alert him. It's time to go fast. Come on, we got something coming from that way. Hey! Something's coming from that way. We got a green. We have a green. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. Just leave him be now. We have a green. Someone is coming. He's close. Very close. And he's going kind of fast. Yes, I am not lying. I'm serious. We have a green and we got a train. He's like up here right now.
What do you mean?
Crossing just went off.
Oh, it's probably not anything good.
I'm just telling you, I got some coming. See?
No.
You might as well check it out. Now it's saying green because we got the green signal. Ace. Nice. Yeah. Ace on the crude oil. That's pretty rare.
It smells like oil.
It's crude oil, I assume. Can you feel the wind?
Yeah.
Damn, he's cruising.
I can't feel the wind anymore.
If you came up to me, you might. Dang. He was loud and he was cruising. I was expecting that big old grain to come through though. Whew. Dang. It's time. He is coming. The train is coming. Train is coming. He's looking away. Oh shoot, he's looking away. Alright, it's time. Oh god. Oh, dude, look what I did. I opened it. I opened the can. Bro, look, I opened the can.
Can I open it more?
Probably not. Not with the stick. Do you think we'll get that Jeep? Straight yellow. We have a straight yellow. You know what that means? Something is coming. It could be the Jeep. It could be the long ass grain. Don't know what it is.
I'm gonna sit right here and
guys. Green, 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 green. Oh, I see a headlight in the distance. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see it in the distance there. At least I can. So we'll be back soon. Still waiting on the train at the green light. Oh, well, he's actually getting kind of close. Never mind. Damn sun. The sun is blocking me. Alright, the crossing just went off.
She has a speed that.
Ouch. Oh, yeah, he's coming. He's definitely coming.
Is he at a speed that he's not going to stop in the crossing?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
That wasn't a good idea. Bulkheads empty. There's ATW and ATW. Here's a small empty one. LW. NS coil cars. Oh, that's a green hat. What'd you say?
They should make a boy parent.
Yeah, they should. That'd be interesting.
See, a boy parent.
What the heck, a mid-DPU? Whoa!
Why would they take off? First place off. Oh. On a manifest?
Your voice cracked. Your voice is cracking.
I know!
But there's no end DPU? What the heck? Legit, there's no end DPU. A mid DPU, but no end DPU. This is weird. This is just one weird Railfanning day. I cannot believe it. Hello, UPS. That is a nice Corvette. That is a nice Corvette. God, why do so many people like to walk on our driveway?
See, that's a change car.
Ah, cool.
It's kind of nice, actually.
Alright, well, we're done, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.